There's a Cessna flying slowly across my roof, straight across the street, slightly at an angle from back right to front left, but almost straight. There he goes, just flying over my roof, making it like it's a regularity that planes fly this way on their way home. So that's because of the recent theme that they've been doing a lot of the July 1st, June 30th cover-ups.